So, thank you for Auntie, Ama, and Uncle for giving Rachel this gift for this birthday. I'm so happy that I'm gonna eat it. So, Rachel will say something important before we eat that. Rachel, go up now.
Yes. Region.
What are you going to say, Region?
Hey kids, do not try this at home.
Okay. Go.
We're eating the Lego.
Soy, tsaka ka na. Dip.
Yummy?
No. Yes. Yeah, short up.
Ibigay mo kay Ate Jess to.
Just kayo mo, Lego.
We're gonna eat this.
Okay, good night. Happy birthday, Region.
Don't
Don't forget to brush your teeth.